Oh shit. Oh no. Oh my.
You're so fucked. Hey John, you're fucked.
It's nice and dry in here.
Should have taken a shower.
Red laughing
Oh
hysterically.
my god, it's so fucking funny.
Oh no! It begins. No! Oh my god.
That's hilarious. Oh my god, this is classic.
Oh my.
I like how the guys from Jackass make millions of dollars and we're probably gonna lose money on the night.
It's $2. Who the hell cares?
It's not my money. High pressure wash. Engage. Wait, look at make it. Show the thing on the camera. What are we on? Pre-soak.
Pre-soak 2. If you don't see that, if you can't read it, next one, high pressure wash. It's gonna hurt a lot. Oh god. Oh no!
He's gonna be so clean. He's not getting back in my car. Quit bouncing on my hood, son-bitch. Quit denting my hood.
Should be okay. Video's over. Put it on his fucking. Put it on the hood of your car. He gets drenched by the water.
I'll spray him with the.
Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh! The high pressure wash! No! Get down! Get down! Oh my god.
That's so funny.
It's coming back for round 2. It's cold?
I know. I told you it'd be cold.
Yeah, it's cold! Oh, it's coming back! Oh shit. Oh shit! He's in the fetal position. Oh shit!
No, no!
Oh shit!
He's getting destroyed.
What?
Spot for your rinse?
Oh, and we got
What was that? Oh, his hand.
John's hand.
Where's that water running in? Oh well. He's destroying my hood right now.
I don't think they have the air on the cheap one. The drying. That would have been hilarious though. Done. That was get a car wash with one of your teammates on the hood.
Watch this.
Slam on the brakes. Oh. John, how was it?
Dude, my pants are so.
I told you they would. We went to a fucking car
I didn't
wash.
think you'd be like
Tell us how it was.
Dude, that was so cold. Dude, it was hard. It hurt.
What's hard, your nipples?